How to check your Instagram comment history. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimal from The Solution Guy, and in today's video I will simply show you how you can check your Instagram's comment history. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to check your Instagram's comment history, go ahead and then open the Instagram application and come to your profile tab. Once you come to your profile page over here, tap on the three lines from the very top right hand side and then just go to the option called your activity over here. Now once you go to the your activity section, this is a place where you can manage all of your activity. So just go to the one that says interactions, and once you go to interactions, you'll find the option that says comments, which is at the very top of the screen. Once you look for the option called comments, and this is basically your comment history, you can see all of the comments, replies you've ever posted on Instagram. If you want to go ahead and sort them accordingly, tap on the sort and filter. You can choose to sort by newest to oldest, by author, by start date and end date, and tap on the apply button at the bottom in order to go ahead and check all of your comment history. That's all it takes to view your comment history on Instagram. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.